Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you in this tutorial how to get this deep peach eyeshadow look. There is no cut crease that you got to do in this tutorial. It seems like cut crease is done, but in reality it isn't. You will know how to get this eye makeup done without cut crease in tutorial further. If you are interested, please continue watching. I'm using a very small palette from Mars. Find link to this palette along with other products in the description box below. The first eyeshadow that I would be using is this. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. After coating this on my outer V, I would be using a lighter tone on the crease to create smoky effect. Pick this eyeshadow and begin applying here. Hold the brush very lightly when you're packing eyeshadow on your crease. Mix this eyeshadow well with the first eyeshadow. Move here in circular motion for it to blend with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the shimmery eyeshadow and I would be covering half the eye using this eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease line. To blend this eyeshadow with the outer V eyeshadow, I'm using this eyeshadow from the palette. This is again shimmery. The intensity should be greater on the eye mid and hence I have used this deeper shimmery eyeshadow. Next, I am using this glitter to highlight my crease line. Take a little on the tip of the brush and begin placing it on your crease line. I am using PAC 385 brush. Do it slowly. You will be able to achieve it easily. I am creating winged eyeliner next. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. I'm creating a deeper pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Link to this kajal is in the description box below. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line using the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. Hold the wand vertically when you are applying mascara on your lower lashes. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.